Thanks.
Okay, so once you get back in the system, we're going to go to Utilities and Repair Correct File. And Utilities, unlock Repair and Use. To do that, you want the ticket that you invoiced out and click on Invoice. We're going to invoice always to cash. Don't print this because we're not giving a customer a copy of this to the customer because they didn't actually pay cash. And then exit Administration, Utilities, and attempt CCD cash out repair. In this case, to find it, so we would need to call Solera or the help desk to have it fixed. Okay, so what should happen, you go to Utilities, attempt CCD cash out repair, and you'll get this here where it shows that the ticket has been fixed. Just verify with the invoice number, in this case 1346. And it says no need to call support. Then you go back in the ticket and print it, and it should have the debit or credit card that they ran and cleared the total out for you.